YP Channel 502 offers you an easy and simple way to search for a variety of restaurants and useful hotlines. To start the service, press the yellow button at Channel 502. Then, using the up and down arrow buttons, pick a category on the home page. Press Enter to confirm. Then choose the district. The information you need will be shown. Want to check out the previous or next restaurant on the list? Just press the up or down arrow buttons. Press the green button now, and you'll find more details relating to that particular restaurant. Try the blue button and get a stunning panoramic view of what you've selected. If that suits you, call to make a reservation. Alternatively, you can press the yellow button to access the index screen for more choices. To return to the home page, simply press the red button on your remote. It's just that simple. With YP Channel 502, information is readily available right at your fingertips. Let's give it a try now.